either Ms. Martin or has her children sweep all of the garbage that collects on the floor down the stairs. The video that Mia here sent me, and I viewed yesterday, has her attempting to walk downstairs. She's literally retching to trying to walk to the basement in this unit. To say that these living conditions are deplorable, I think is a grave understatement. And the fact that there are not just Ms. Martin, but at least 3 children living in this unit, I'm not sure how anyone considers this place habitable in any way whatsoever.
Ma'am, what do you have to say?
Me. I know that it's like the house is not in order, but I was getting it in order. And that's not feces. That was like food smeared on my children. Is right there. It's just food smeared, and they probably did sweep it down in the basement.
But why isn't it? If they probably did that, then why isn't it being cleaned up?
Like we cleaning up. I just gotta get more cleaning supplies and get all the rest of it up.
Well, here's my problem with that, ma'am, is that we started out on June 26th.
Yeah.
With those conditions existing. You told me that you were taking care of it, and it wasn't that. We came back on July 10th. And you told me that you were taking care of it. And that,
I am. It's
hold on. I adjourned it to today's date for them to get the inspector in and to try to make a determination as to this unit. Now, you want me to go out there and look? I mean, I'll look at their film, but if I walk into that unit, am I going to see a unit that's habitable, ma'am?
It's like what he explained it, like it's gonna take a while for me to get all this stuff back.
No. I understand that. But if I walk in, am I going to see a unit that really is in a situation where people shouldn't be living in it?
Yeah, correct. Yeah.
Pardon?
Yeah.
That's what I'd see, right?
Yes. I'm being honest, yes.
I know. And I'm just saying, when I looked at the other pictures, I don't even have to look at the other one. If you have taken steps to do it, something different, it's going to be worse. It's got to be worse by now.
Like I'm doing stuff different. Like I gotta patch the holes. I don't like, but as far as trash, when she just came in yesterday, there wasn't no trash on the floor. It probably was still like trash from the basement from when they was throwing the stuff down there. But I'm getting it up.
Maybe if I view their video as it stands right now, tell me a reason why I shouldn't grant them a judgment in this case.
Because it's just being them, and that's all we got right now. That's why I'm like trying to get it in order. And I don't want them outside homeless.
All right, let me ask you this. Ms. Martin, here's the reality, okay?
Yeah.
Sometimes I love doing my job, but sometimes I don't like what I have to do.
Mm-hmm.
There's no way that you and your kids can continue to stay there.
Okay.
Just can't, because I don't. What I've seen,
Mm-hmm.
You're not going to get it to the point that
I know I can't though. I just need one more chance.
I don't think he can.
Okay.
Part of the reason I gave that adjournment and asked you to do something before was to see if you could. I'm not going to sit up there and just say somebody can't do something,
All right.
but you haven't been able to. And so then my question is, if I give them a judgment today, you got to be out in 10 days. Now I realize how many kids you have.
I have 4 right here. Then I have a daughter, but she stays with her dad.
How long is it going to take? How much time do you need to get you and your kids?
I don't know because I'm like,
Pardon?
I don't know. I don't have anybody. Like, it's just us. And I'm
Pardon?
unemployed right now. So
I'm sorry?
I said it's just us and I'm unemployed right now. So I really, I don't know.
There really isn't. And you kind of admitted it. I mean, there isn't anything for this court to try at this point in time. So I'm going to find that there's no tribal issue in this case. I'm going to issue a judgment for possession. There's not a redemption amount. Ma'am, I'll extend out the period in time a bit, but your redemption date you need to be out. I'm going to give you to August 7th to get yourself and your kids out.
Okay.
All right. Try to figure out some alternative living arrangements. You understand that?
That's fine.
So I'd suggest that you start working on that now. I mean, I hate doing this, but I think the circumstances dictate that it can't happen any other way.
Okay. That's fine.
Right?
Thank you.
Pardon?
Post judgment.